Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to figure out what to do with your little girl's hair? Well, this video is for you. Make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification if you haven't, and let's get focused. Alright guys, we have Gloria as our model today. Hey Glo! She has had her braids in for a while, and it is time to take them out. As you can see, they've done their job being a protective style, and it's time for her new do, her twist out. And now let's go ahead and get right into the tools we'll be using today. We'll be using clips, a rat tail comb, a towel, Kiehl's styling cream, oil that I custom made, water bottle, and a leave-in conditioner that I custom made. Alright, so I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned Gloria's hair. It's freshly washed and we're ready to get started. This style that I'm going to show you is super quick and easy. It doesn't take that much thought. It's just getting it done. Off camera, I went ahead and re-wet Gloria's hair a little bit, and then I took the Kiehl's product and applied that throughout her head. That's all the white stuff that you see in her hair. It's just a time saver, but if you don't feel like doing it that way, then you apply the Kiehl's product to each twist one by one. Next, I grabbed my Detangler brush. I absolutely love this Detangler brush. It is fabulous. I'll make sure I leave the link to where you can purchase this brush. It's just everything. It will save you time and hair. Alright, so the next step, you're going to go ahead and section out a good chunk of hair. I will make a video on how to do a nice clean part, but for right now, try to do your part as best as you can. You want to clip away the hair that you won't be using. Grab your Kiehl's product again. Put about a little bit over a dime size, maybe a quarter size in your hand. Apply it to the hair. You will first braid at the root, 2 inches or so, and then after you braid it down a little bit, you will twist away. When you're twisting, you want to make sure you have a tight twist to it so the style can actually last a lot longer. I'll make sure I make a video on how to twist the hair tightly so you know exactly what I mean. That should be coming in the next few weeks. And that's it. You would just repeat these steps throughout the entire head. As you can see, before I go on to each individual twist, I make sure I finger detangle and then apply my product, work it in, detangle, then braid at the root and twist away. While doing this style, do not be concerned about the parting. As you can see, I don't have perfect horizontal or vertical parts. I'm just grabbing sections of the hair and doing the twist out. Alright, No perfection on the parts, okay guys? Just get it done. As you're working, the hair will be getting dry, so you want to go ahead and grab your water bottle and wet that hair down. You definitely need to make sure that the hair is saturated with water while doing this style. It just gives a better end result. Now that the hair is done, it's time to add some oil to the scalp. Just gonna go ahead and drop it on the scalp and at the root where you started the braid, applying it to the entire head and just letting that oil set into the hair. And that's it guys, you have your twist out. Until next time, peace.